In this recording, we'll show you our recognition option of pocket recognition. Pocket recognition is an operation that recognizes every single pocket feature that's on the part and will automatically create a toolpath for those pockets. Let's take a look at how this works. If I were to go into pocket recognition, we'll start by defining our geometry. We'll click on Define Geometry, and all I have to do right now is just click on the part, and every single face has been recognized and can be seen on the part, and it sees every single pocket feature that's on the part. All I have to do now is just accept this, choose a tool that I'd like to use, and the levels are automatically defined by the depth of each pocket. If I go into my technology, I can set up my technology any way I want. For example, I'd like to say open my pockets to work in a profile strategy. All I have to do now is just save and calculate. And you can see a toolpath has been created for every single one of these pockets. If we take a look at our Solid Verify, you can see the toolpath being created for every single pocket feature that is on the part, from the very top going all the way down to the lowest pocket that we have here. But there's another way of creating this as well. We can use what we call the drag and drop templates to create these operations automatically. Let me just delete this particular operation that I've created up until now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my process template. In my process template, I have one that actually has a rough and finish operation in pocket recognition, and I've even added the chamfer recognition, which we'll talk about in a different recording. All I have to do now is just grab that template, drop it onto the part itself, and then everything is being automatically recognized, including all the pocket features and the edge features for the chamfer recognition, and all of the operations have been created over here. Taking a look at the simulation for all of these operations, you'll see again every single pocket has been done, including the finish, and we've also added a little bit of a chamfer edge breaker on the entire part. This is the power of pocket recognition.